Let us provide a solution to this radical equation here on the board. We have a if 1 minus root x divided by 1 minus x equals 2. Here we are to find the value of x that will satisfy this equation. I put down here solution. We have 1 minus root x divided by 1 minus x equals 2. Note that this is over 1. Here, the first we are going to apply here is cross multiplication. What is 1 minus root x will be multiplied by 1, and 1 minus x will be multiplied by 2. In that case, the equation becomes 1 minus root x equals 2 into 1 minus x. Then the next step to be considered here is for us to clear these brackets by multiplying each term inside the bracket by 2. In that case, the equation becomes 1 minus root x equals 2 times 1. That gives us 2. Then 2 times minus x, that gives us minus 2x. Then the next step to be considered now is collection of like terms. In that case, we have here 1. If you move plus 2 down here, it becomes minus 2. To move negative 2x down here, it becomes plus 2x equals, if you move negative root x down here, it becomes root x. When we simplify this further, 1 minus 2, that gives us minus 1 plus 2x equals root x. Then we can also rewrite this as 2x minus 1 equals root x. Now the next step to be considered here is to square both sides of the equation so that this radical sign can be removed. Now we square this and we square this as well. If you expand this, you're going to have 4x squared minus 4x plus 1 equals here square root to cancel square, and we have here x. This is quadratic. When we need to arrange it in its normal form, in that case, we are going to have 4x squared minus 4x. If we bring down x from the right hand side to the left hand side, it becomes minus x plus 1 equals 0. Then we have here 4x squared minus 4x minus x, that will give us minus 5x plus 1 equals 0. Now, we are going to solve this using factorization method, and we are going to apply the shortcut method here. Now, what you are going to do, multiply these leading coefficients by 1, and this will give you 1 multiplied by 4, which equals 4. Then now, look for two possible factors of 4, so that when to multiply, it will give you plus 4, and when to multiply these two same factors, it will give you minus 5. Now, so let these factors be minus 1 and minus 4. If you multiply minus 1 times minus 4, you get plus 4. So if you add minus 1 minus 1 plus minus 4, what will give you minus 5. Then in that case, open two brackets like this, equate it to 0. Since this is x squared, insert 1x here and insert another one here. Then introduce each of these factors into each bracket. We have 1, and you can put minus 1. Yeah, minus 1 here and minus 4 here. Now, since the leading coefficient is 4 here, divide each of the factor by 4. That is, you are going to divide here by 4 and also divide here by 4. Now the equation becomes x minus 1 over 4 into x minus 4 divided by 4. That gives us 1, and this equals 0. Then it is either this equals 0 or this equals 0. Therefore, we have that x minus 1 over 4 equals 0, or x minus 1 equals 0. Therefore, x equals 1 over 4 or x equals 1. And these are the possible values of x that will satisfy this given equation here on the board. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more math solutions. See you in the next video.